Minglabashi, the Kaukaro, collocation may go the book hit there, purpose of paper, a jamio, patia, no? So, Roddy, who Saranta Coop, no Saranta Kuya purposely, your time, a jammy killing. So, Sapatia. The purpose of this paper is to consider the claim often made that computer simulation exercises provide an excellent source of speaking practice. So the purpose the paper tema computer simulation ka speaking practice flow excellent source pay 9 so computer simulation speaking practice paper in so doing, I shall first consider the properties of computer simulations from a theoretical plan, then describe the experience of using a particular simulation with a general EFL class. So, patma uso ma who computer simulation go begani doamale. Theoretical point of view, framework, consideration, understanding. So, the purpose, the paper ma doame piome exam piora so. Patma uso nga who theoretical point of view ani to piome. Then describe lo me sapi pioma so. The exam yalu pure meswe kacharo computer simulation go theoretical point of view ani piome piopide kachama be. The particular general EFM class ma experience describe the payment so time. On the basis of these experiments and of some very straightforward pedagogical consideration, shall argue that the claim is justified, belong to a very important habit. So chichiya. Dinalima is justified blank to Ludwami. It's justifying blank to a very important habit. So Dalia warning your channel, no so in Bali channel. Justifying dependent, justifying subject, content suggest. So Dali you got the Jang Yita suddenly you go story, justifying subject BPM, no subject will be Jang Yalibo. The Jang Yao Bioni Lao, sudden not Jang Yao Bioni so. Subject you be that no the Jangya new pure. Suggest Kara verbs or telomere or subject go you tapping. Computer simulation can form the basic of excellent speaking exercises, provided you do not expect the computer to do all the work. Put in another way, many computer simulation only blank their full potential as language exercises. So the Chani ne pyoya me solution in a computer simulation only plan their full potential as language exercise. So in the by ma the channel main verb mapati from main verb check me no probably uchi yang arrive ye accomplish ye come ye attain ye so along tin do ye check yare so verb li the me so a subject li watching no subject ka many computer simulation with your the computer simulation ka arrive their full potential arrive so lua yaw la no the near yaw dwara da new pure so computer simulation arrive ne tong lu ya bu accomplish calm le me ya bu no calm ma lua dwara pure so no di near ma ba li phit me full potential to your potential ko language exercise of your potential ko ya naing ne so ya date phit de so attain li ko phit le no ya naing me ya me ko no ya me belo phit ma le if they are blank into a large plan teacher managed activity. So, go computer simulation go balo male. Ali she so another past participle. Discriminated no computer a champion computer simulation a champion so discriminated ka chelo miao mix ka le miao mix ka ho yora no pisi yora o the kuku yora no pis yora akuda yora ho large plan teacher management activities integrated bounce like that Dali activity ne bounce like that full potential language exercises so be you be integrated go no confirm lo chi ya a phêလေးကိုတစ်ချက်ကြည့်ရအောင် Telia alone man, it wali the Ashiba in Alima. ဒီ paper နဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးမှာပေါ့နော်ဒီစာတမ်းနဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးမှာပြောတဲ့ဟာလေးနိဒန်းလေးပြောထားပြီးမှာဒီမှာကြတော့ဒီထဲကအလုပ်ပုံပေါ့နော်အလုပ်ပုံ computer simulation နဲ့ language ကို speaking practice လုပ်ဖို့အလုပ်ပုံကြီးအကြောင်းလေးကိုပြောထားတာပေါ့နော်ဒီနောက်အပိုင်းမှာဟာလေးတွေ okay ဒါဆိုရင်တော့ကိုကလေတခြားနားလည်အောင်ဖတ်ပြီးမှဖြေထားတာဆိုလို့ရှိရင်တော့အထင်မှန်လေးကလွယ်လွယ်ကူကူလေးနဲ့ရနိုင်ပါတယ်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်